Choosing Hydrolite 5 Green signifies a commitment to sustainable beauty. This upcycled 100% from plant origin and readily biodegradable ingredient provides exceptional multifunctionality and product protection. Have you ever wondered what goes into crafting such a pioneering ingredient, especially one that's 100% green carbon?
At Symrise, the development of Hydrolite 5 Green involves pioneering a manufacturing process that is both sustainable and innovative. This reflects the company's commitment to excellence in ingredient production.
In this video, we'll pull back the curtain on our advanced manufacturing journey, a story of cutting-edge technology, resource efficiency, and a deep-seated commitment to our planet, all happening within our state-of-the-art facilities. With Hydrolite 5 Green, let's explore how we're redefining sustainable production. The journey of Hydrolite 5 Green begins with upcycled agricultural byproducts: sugarcane bagasse, corn cobs, and wood pulp. Renewable resources transformed into valuable raw materials. From this upcycled source, we employ a revolutionary solvent-free process to convert it into Hydrolite 5 Green within a controlled, energy-efficient environment. Water resource reduction is crucial. At Symrise, we've implemented a process that utilizes a light steam generated from Hydrolite 5 Green distillation to operate vacuum pumps, thereby saving the equivalent of nearly 4 Olympic swimming pools per year. And that's not all.
Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Bushy Park features a 60% reduction in lighting needs through energy-efficient LEDs and requires zero air conditioning or heating. We are decreasing our Scope 3 emissions by producing the hydrogen needed on-site. This limits additional environmental impact due to transport. With our new plant in Europe, we are decreasing our transport-related emissions, moving one more step ahead of our commitment.
As part of our commitment to circularity, Simrise transforms side streams into valuable resources. Byproducts generated during the purification of Hydrolite 5 Green are repurposed as solvents for Simrise's production, or sold to other industries for responsible use. This firm commitment to a circular manufacturing approach results in an exceptionally low E-factor for Hydrolite 5 Green, demonstrating our achievement in closing the loop and maintaining materials in continuous circulation. When selecting Hydrolite 5 Green, you ensure a more sustainable formulation that meets the growing consumer demand for cleaner and more efficient products. Discover how Symrise's leadership and innovation can elevate your brand with Hydrolite 5 Green, the multifunctional ingredient that enhances product protection, delivers highly sensorial and efficient formulations, and respects both the skin microbiome and the planet.
Symrise, always inspiring more.